Everyone wants to build a lot of wealth, right? But you have a bit of a problem. You're not sure how to actually build it. You could spend hours researching online or pay money to speak with a financial advisor, sacrificing valuable time that could have been used toward growing your wealth. But what if I told you there's a faster, smarter way? Lucky for you, we have a solution that will help you understand wealth building in just minutes. It's called the Wealth Building Pyramid. And as Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, teaches, there are 8 key assets you need to buy to make you rich and allow you to never work again. These assets will help you escape the rat race and build a legacy that lasts. Instead of wasting time on endless research, let's break down the path to financial freedom with proven strategies that have made entrepreneurs like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos ultra-wealthy. Ready to learn how to turn your income into real wealth? Let's dive in. Before we jump into what the wealth building pyramid is, you must know the difference between income and wealth. Earning an excellent income is great, but having money and having wealth are truly two different things. Your income is money that goes into your bank account and then goes right back out towards bills. When you have wealth, you have more than just an income. Wealth is a set of resources, assets, investments, and entrepreneurship. Wealth allows you to create and take advantage of life's opportunities. Wealth doesn't happen overnight, though. Building wealth is a series of steps that you will take over time. It's an ongoing process that requires discipline and patience. If you apply that discipline, wealth building becomes a life pattern. As you move through each stage of life, or the pyramid in this case, you grow in your ability to build wealth and can pass that wealth from generation to generation. Why is this important to know? The level of financial inequality around the world is staggering. Nearly 50% of the global wealth is owned by just 1% of the population. So, what is the wealth building pyramid we mentioned earlier, and why do you need to know it? Our goal is to help you become part of that 1% and achieve financial freedom. To fully understand how the wealth building pyramid works, the pyramid has been broken into 4 sections: the base, the second layer, the third layer, and the top layer. The base layer is the foundation of the pyramid. Like everything in life, you need a solid foundation before you begin. This layer is your cash flow. Before you can truly begin building wealth, you must consistently generate enough income to handle month-to-month expenses. It's also a good idea to have enough savings set aside to cover at least 6 months of living expenses in case of a financial emergency. Once your foundation is complete and your cash flow is in place, you can begin investing. The best places to start are in real estate, stocks, or entrepreneurship. For example, real estate is looked at as real property assets because, in general, real estate appreciates in value. The purpose of these investments is to let them build value over time and allow you to retire at some point in the future with a comfortable lifestyle. These are not get-rich-quick schemes. You must be able to remain committed, even through volatility and minimal results early on. Moving up the pyramid, the third layer is your estate. This is the wealth you'll pass on to your family. If you're a business owner, this could include your business as well. Lastly, at the very top of the pyramid are your long-term goals. These are the goals you want to accomplish in your lifetime. They can range anywhere from financial goals to life and family goals. Now that you know what the wealth building pyramid is, next, we'll dive into a game-changing concept from Robert Kiyosaki, the best-selling author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. He reveals the secret to financial independence through his famous cash flow quadrant. Here's the catch. The difference between the rich and the poor boils down to which side of the quadrant you're on. Those on the left side trade their time for money, chasing job security. But the wealthy, they dominate the right side, where money works for them, giving them freedom and the power to live life on their terms. Stay tuned, because in just a moment, I'll share the 8 key assets you need to get to that side. 1. A business. Unlock your financial freedom. Creating a business is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth, and it's a strategy that anyone can pursue if they're willing to put in the work. Entrepreneurs don't just work for money. They create systems that work for them. When you build a business, You invest your time and effort up front to establish a foundation that will continue generating income for you, even when you're not actively working. Unlike employees who exchange their time for money, entrepreneurs take ownership of their future. They build businesses that create passive income, money that comes in without requiring constant, hands-on effort. This gives you the freedom to spend your time doing what truly matters to you, whether that's spending more time with your family, traveling the world, or pursuing personal passions. If you've ever dreamed of financial independence and the freedom to live life on your own terms, building a business could be the most important step you'll ever take. Yes, it's challenging at first, but the rewards of having a business that works for you over time far outweigh the initial hard work. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Take that first step toward entrepreneurship. Your future self will thank you. 2. Real estate. Create passive income and escape the rat race. Investing in real estate, especially rental properties, is one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. Real estate provides not only a hedge against inflation, but also a consistent stream of income. When you buy properties, you can earn money every month from rent payments, which creates an additional source of income on top of your day job. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a steady flow of cash coming in each month, whether you're actively working or not. But here's the real magic. Using the power of other people's money, you can purchase property with little of your own capital. By leveraging loans and financing, you can control assets that grow in value over time. You get to take advantage of property appreciation, tax benefits, and rental income, all while others, your tenants, help pay down the mortgage for you. Real estate offers a direct route to financial freedom, allowing you to escape the grind of the 9 to 5. The time to start is now. Don't wait until you're older or wealthier. You can start small and grow your portfolio as your confidence and resources expand. 3. Paper assets, a smart investment strategy for busy people. If managing a business or real estate isn't your thing, investing in paper assets such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs is a smart way to build wealth without the constant effort of managing physical assets. With disciplined investing and a long-term mindset, these assets can generate passive income while growing in value over time. Imagine being able to put your money into an asset like stocks or bonds that grow steadily in value, allowing you to benefit from the hard work of others, all while you live your life. It doesn't matter whether you're working a 9 to 5 job, running a business, or taking care of your family. Investing in paper assets allows you to generate wealth passively without the need for daily involvement. You don't need to be an expert investor to get started. With just a basic understanding of how the market works and a commitment to regular investing, you can steadily grow your wealth and enjoy the benefits in the long run. 4. Commodities. Protect your wealth against uncertainty. In uncertain economic times, commodities like gold, silver, oil, and even food products can serve as a safeguard for your wealth. These physical assets often retain or even increase in value when other forms of wealth, like stocks or paper assets, lose value. When inflation rises or markets are volatile, commodities remain a stable investment choice. By investing in commodities, you're essentially buying insurance against financial instability. Gold, for instance, has been a store of value for centuries and tends to rise when other asset classes fall. Oil and food products can also provide protection, offering a tangible form of wealth that doesn't rely on the performance of any one company or government. In times of economic turmoil, commodities are the perfect hedge to protect your wealth and ensure that your purchasing power remains strong. When you diversify your investments to include commodities, you create a more resilient financial portfolio, one that will continue to serve you no matter what happens in the market. 5. Time. Start now and reap the benefits later. Time is one of the most valuable assets you have. Don't waste it. The earlier you start building wealth, the more time you'll have for your investments to grow. Time allows you to compound your wealth, meaning that even small investments made early on can grow into something much bigger over time. When you start today, you give yourself the opportunity to take calculated risks, make mistakes, and recover, all while allowing your money to work for you. Every year that passes without starting to build wealth is a missed opportunity for growth. Time is the one asset you can't get back, so start investing today, and you'll see exponential returns in the future. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the second best time is today. Don't let time slip away. Begin your wealth-building journey now, and you'll thank yourself in the years to come. 6. Health. Invest in your most valuable asset. Your health is your wealth. Without good health, all the money and assets in the world won't matter. Investing in your physical well-being through regular exercise, a healthy diet, and self-care isn't just about living longer. It's about living better. Good health enables you to work harder, enjoy your wealth, and have the energy to chase your goals. If you're healthy, you can take on bigger challenges, be more productive, and live a longer life to enjoy the fruits of your labor. But without investing in your health, all your other investments will be meaningless. So prioritize your health today. Get active, eat right, and build habits that support long-term well-being. Your body is the foundation for everything else, so treat it like the precious asset it is. 7. Online assets. Leverage the digital economy. In the digital age, online assets like YouTube channels, blogs, online courses, and e-commerce stores are some of the easiest and most accessible ways to build wealth. With little to no startup cost, you can create content or digital products that generate passive income long after the work is done. Imagine creating a YouTube video or an online course that continues to make money even while you sleep. With dedication, you can build an online presence that works for you, providing you with a scalable income stream. Whether you're sharing your expertise, documenting your passion, or offering valuable services, online assets are a powerful way to generate income without having to constantly trade your time for money. Don't let the digital age pass you by. Create your online assets today and let the internet work for you. The potential for growth and income is vast, and there's no better time to take advantage of it than now. 8. Your network. Relationships are the key to unlocking opportunities. Finally, your network is one of the most important assets you can build. As the saying goes, your network is your net worth. The people you know can open doors to new opportunities, partnerships, business ventures, and investment prospects. By investing in relationships and nurturing your network, you create a community of support that can help propel you forward. Whether it's through word-of-mouth referrals, business collaborations, or mentorship, your network can be the key to unlocking wealth-building opportunities that you may never have encountered on your own. Invest in your network by attending events, engaging in online communities, and fostering real, meaningful relationships with like-minded people. You never know when a new connection might lead to a breakthrough. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more personal finance videos. Start building your wealth today and join the ranks of the financially free.